Hello. This short video will provide an overview of the summary care record and how it is accessed from within SystmOne. The summary care record is an electronic record of important patient information sourced from the patient's GP record. It can be accessed by authorised staff in other healthcare settings that are directly involved in the patient's care. The summary care record will contain key information such as demographic details, allergies and medication, but can also contain additional information with the patient's explicit consent. Summary care records are created automatically for all patients registered at GP practices in England unless the patient opts out. The summary care record can be accessed by authorised staff using smart cards through clinical systems or through the summary care record application on the SystmOne portal to ensure that in the absence of any other information, the patient's important information is accessible. The summary care record is sent from the registered GP practice of the patient. Whenever the patient's record is updated, an update to the summary care record is sent, and it is possible to see on the summary care record when this update was sent. The GP practice can also update the patient's summary care record consent preferences, and with the patient's explicit consent, add additional information to the summary care record. Thank you for watching, and please have a look at some of our other videos to find out more about the summary care record in SystmOne.